Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a sentence completion quiz. Pause the video to read the tips. Let's begin. Question 1. He has dash people visiting him at his house because he fears it will cause discomfort to neighbors. The correct option is B. Stopped. Question 2. The defending champion justified his top ranking by clinching the title with dash skill. The correct option is C. Masterly. Question 3. Our school teaches subjects like health and sanitation in addition to the usual English dash. The correct option is B. Lesson. Question 4. He applied for and was dash legal aid by the Labour Ministry. The correct option is C. Awarded. Question 5. I want to have a dash of flats on rental basis. The correct option is A. Block. I want to have a block of flats on rental basis. Question 6. I am given to dash that you are going abroad. The correct option is D. Understand. Question 7. Only those who have completed 18 years are dashed to apply for this post. The correct option is B. Eligible. Question 8. How much did it dash to reach New York by car? The correct option is B. Cost. Question 9. Since Leo stays far away from our place, we dash meet each other. The correct option is A. Rarely. Question 10. The crux did not dash any resistance. The correct option is B. Offer. Question 11. After reaching New York, Rahman will have dash to himself to the new surroundings. The correct option is C. Adapt. Question 12. There is no doubt that one has to keep dash with the changing times. The correct option is B. Pace. Question 13. Sam's friends had nothing to offer him other than dash in his grief. The correct option is C. Consolation. Question 14. Robbers often act in dash with the police. The correct option is A. Collusion. Question 15. We need good dash shoes for walking in the hills. The correct option is A. Sturdy. Question 16. Due to political unrest, several companies have stopped dash their products in some countries. The correct option is C. Selling. Question 17. Anisa dash me of a girl I used to know in college. The correct option is A. Reminds. Question 18. The steam engine was dashed by James Watt. The correct option is B. Devised. Question 19. The river overflowed and flooded the surrounding dash. The correct option is D. Areas. Question 20. We dash the family members after expressing our grief at the tragedy. The correct option is B. Consoled. Question 21. This book is a useful dash to our library. The correct option is D. Addition. 22. No one likes to be forced into dash situations. The correct option is C. Humiliating. Question 23. He was not willing to accept the dash. The correct option is B. Blame. Question 24. My friend took his first pay to the bank to dash it in his account. The correct option is C. Deposit. Question 25. A restaurant that presents spick and span look will naturally dash more customers. The correct option is D. Attract. That's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. I'll see you next time. Bye.